AI explained in plain English. This is to help make artificial intelligence simple, clear, and useful to everybody at all levels, whether you're a beginner in AI or whether you're an advanced user. So AI can feel mysterious, kind of like robots taking over the world, but in reality, it's much, much simpler. Artificial intelligence is not magic, and it's not here to replace you. At its core, AI is just a very advanced way of recognizing patterns and making predictions. Think of AI as pattern recognition plus prediction. So, what exactly does this mean? AI looks at huge amounts of data, learns patterns from it, and then predicts what should come next in the outcome. For example, Netflix looks at what you've watched and then predicts what show you'll enjoy next. Google Maps takes millions of traffic data points, and then predicts the fastest route for you to take. Your phone's autocorrect looks at words you type and then predicts what you probably mean to type next. That is AI in action, working quietly in the background to make your life easier. So let's tackle a couple myths. Myth number one is that AI is taking over. The AI robots are taking over. This is a story Hollywood absolutely loves, but the real reality of AI is that it is just maths, not minds. It doesn't think, feel, or want anything. Myth number two is that AI is smarter than humans. However, what is true here is that AI can process huge amounts of data faster than us. It does, however, lack common sense, creativity, and judgment. The of AI is that it is simply a tool. Just like a calculator helps with mathematics, AI helps with knowledge work. It's designed to speed up human work, not replace all of it. When you use AI the right way, it becomes your assistant, not your replacement. So, here's the bottom line. AI is not science fiction. It's not out to replace you. It's a powerful tool that recognizes patterns, makes predictions, and helps you save time. And in this course, I'll show you how to use it safely and effectively, starting with all the basics today.